Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin ParkTech YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about how to use the for loop statement within the FH programming language. So how we can do that? First of all, you need to write the key word that is called as the for. Then after you have written this for, you need to write the name of the variable. So here let suppose that our variable is a, so we will equalize it to 1. For a is equal to 1 means that first the value 1 will be stored inside this variable a, okay, and then up to which value it needs to go. For a is equal to 1 to 10, and then we need to write do. Okay, now this statement for a is equal to 1 to 10, and then do will run for 10 times. First a will become 1, and then 2, and then 3. Okay, and here if we use to write print fn, and if we can write alpha, okay, just like alpha or like beta. Okay, if we use to write here as beta print fn, so for how much time this beta will get printed? For 10 times. Okay, and then after 10 times our for loop will get terminated. Okay, but one more thing, that if you will just run it out, you cannot see the console window because it will vanish in no time. So we need to write here system.console.read key, and then these, and then ignore. Okay, now this statement you are not supposed to go into the technicalities of this statement. This statement is just for to hold the console window. So we will run it out, and we can see that beta get printed for 10 times. Okay, and one more thing, that if you want to print the value of a, then what we need to do, we can write here %d for decimal, and we can write here a, and then our value will get printed. Okay, just like first a 1 will get printed, then 2, then 3, then 4, and up to 10, like this. So in this way you can use your for loop within the FH. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.